Welcome back to 5 Minute STEM. In today's video, we're going to be writing a simple C++ program using if-else statements. And it'll be where the user will enter some whole number, and there's two different options for a message that will display. Either it's an even number or an odd number. And this program can be found on my website, and I'll drop the link in the description below. So first, we'll start out with declaring a variable name num that will hold the whole number that is entered. Then we're going to ask the user to input some number. And then we're going to store that number in num. And now we'll write our if-else statement. So we'll do if num, we'll use modular division, meaning, if there's a remainder of 0 when you divide the number by 2, then that means it's an even number. So we'll write the message, you entered an even number. Otherwise, the message will display you entered an odd number. All right, so now let's just run it. So let's say 10, you entered an even number. 7, you entered an odd number. All right, so simple as that. And in the next videos, we'll build on this basic if-else statements, looking at nested if-else statements, and other kinds of loops. All right, so thanks for watching, and catch the next one.